Welcome to all. Today we should learn the classification of accounts. The meaning of account. So in accounting, the account means the statement that records various transactions relating to a person, things, or property. So let's repeat. The statement that records various transactions relating to a person, thing, or property within T format is called account. Format of account is like English letter T that divides into two parts. The left hand side is known as debit side and its right hand side is known as credit side. In the debit side, we should record all debit transactions, and credit side records all the credit transaction of a particular item, which is broadly divided into two types, that is personal account and second one is impersonal account. Personal account relates to name of a person or maybe the name of any individual or maybe the name of any organization, institutions, clubs, etc. Whereas impersonal account is relates to thing or property. Personal account is again divided into three parts, that is natural persons personal account, artificial persons personal account, and representative persons personal account. Natural personal account includes the name of those persons which are created by God. That means all are living beings created by God. Whereas artificial personal account includes those persons' name which are all non-living beings developed by human beings. but developed by human. Whereas representative personal accounts are those accounts which represents both natural person or artificial persons. Generally, personal account relates to name. That means the name of school, the name of college, the name of organization, the name of institution, the name of industries, the name of factories, the name of shops, the name of places, the name of various clubs, franchises, the name of teams, the name of movies, or the name of series, etc. But such personal account is further divided into three types. That is natural persons personal account, which represents all the living beings created by God. That means the name of all living beings like Rama, Syama, Hari, etc. Whereas artificial persons personal account relates to the name of those persons which are all non-living beings and developed by human. That means the name of various clubs, the name of various companies, the name of various industries or banks which are developed by the human beings and they are given particular name by the humans for their identification. Similarly, the last one is our representative personal account that represents some natural person or artificial persons. Similarly, the impersonal account is again divided into two types. That is, one is real account and another one is nominal account. Real account are those accounts which relates to assets or properties of the organization, whereas nominal accounts are those accounts which are related to expenses, losses, incomes or gains. Again, real account is divided into two types. One is tangible real account and another one is intangible real account. Tangible real accounts are those accounts which can be seen and touched, whereas intangible real accounts are those accounts which cannot be seen and touched, but such accounts can be felt. That is called intangible real accounts. Nominal account is again divided into two types, that is expenses and losses account, incomes and gains account. So the meaning of various accounts should be discussed now. So the personal account means the account relating to the name of school, college, organization, institution, clubs, etc. is called personal account. Similarly, the definition of natural person's personal account is the personal account that relates to the name of all living beings is called natural person's personal account, whereas artificial person's personal account is the personal account that relates to the name of all non-living beings developed by the human is called artificial personal account, whereas representative person's personal account is the personal account that represents the name of any natural person or artificial persons. Again, impersonal account is the account which is not a personal account, or in other words, the account that relates to any things or properties, that is called impersonal account, which is divided into two types, that is real account and nominal account. The meaning of our real account is the impersonal account, or the account that relates to assets or properties is called real account, which is divided into two types, that is tangible and intangible account. Tangible real account are those real accounts which can be seen and touched, whereas intangible real accounts are those accounts which cannot be seen and touched, but it can be felt. Again, the nominal account means the account relating to expenses, losses, incomes and gains. Nominal account is divided into two types, expenses and losses account. Second one is gains and incomes account. Let's take an example. Suppose we should consider a television. Here television is an impersonal account. But the name of the company of which it belongs, suppose our television belongs to LG company, that means the name of the company is personal account. As the LG is a name of the company and it is a non-living being, so it is artificial person's personal account. Similarly, as impersonal account is divided into two types, that is real account and nominal account. So in television, as the television is a property, so it belongs to real account. Whatever expenses incurred to maintain the television, that means maintenance expenses, should be our nominal account. Repeat again. The television, as it is a asset, so it is real account, and the name of the company is known as personal account, and whatever expenses should be incurred for the maintenance of the television is called nominal account. Thank you.